What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to quickly go over Cardano. ADA currently sitting at 50 cents, up 8% on the day. Sitting a market cap of 17.22 billion. 24-hour volume 1.13 billion. We're just going to hop straight into it. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. So we've pushed up. We've seen quite a large push. We still haven't come down and broken this low. So there's been a couple alternative wave counts that I want to make you guys aware of, and one of them is the one I've already been covering, where this is a wave 1, and we're looking at a corrective wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to bring us down, possibly to that 25-cent price target. However, if Bitcoin sees a large bounce, which we may see here, then we may be looking at a completely different wave count. Another alternative wave count is that this was all corrective and this was all a part of the wave 3, and we're looking for a wave 4 correction and a potential wave 5 to bring you down to break this low. Potentially that could be the play. If we see Bitcoin starting to see a little bit of pullback, if this is a 5-wave structure to the upside, and Bitcoin comes down and puts in a lower low and puts in a deeper wave 5, then that's when you could see ADA start to come down and break that low and complete that wave 5. If Bitcoin comes down and creates a lower low. But if Bitcoin is completed a 5-wave structure and we only come down for a wave 2 and then we see a wave 3 to the upside, then we'd have to be looking at a different wave count for ADA. But this is a significant bounce. So this may have been one large wave 3, and now we're going through a corrective wave 4, looking for some sort of like ABC correction, ABC, and then coming down for a wave 5. But if we fail to break this low, then I'll have to look into a different wave count here. I believe with Elliott wave, I'm not sure the name of it, but you can have a wave 5 that doesn't break the wave 3 low. It's just very, very rare. But I'll have to look more into that here. So currently we've come up and we've hit the 0.382, which is a normal retracement for a wave 4, the 0.382, the 0.5 minimum target, the 0.3236. So, but we would have to see some harsh sell-off to come all the way down and break this low. So I think the only way is if BTC comes down and loses this low and creates a deeper wave 5. But as of right now, we put a 5-wave move to the upside. We reached our price target. So if we come down for a wave 2 correction and then we see that continuation to the upside, that's when I think we'll have to look at a different structure here for ADA. But as of right now, we've hit the 0.382. So if we get rejected here, we lose this low. Potentially, we could come down for a wave 5. Otherwise, if we don't lose this wave 3 low, we have to look at a different structure here. I don't want to keep repeating myself, but we did break down from this ascending channel and we back tested it. As you can see here, we back tested it. We came down, we came up, we back tested it. We still haven't really broke it. Made some juicy profits shorting the move down, locked in 75%, and just hit my stop loss at break even for the rest of the trade. But overall, I mean, trading ADA, we made some juicy profits. I took multiple short trades with ADA coming down and we made some good profits here. And I also give spot trades. We just made some juicy profits. 17% profit on Sol, 12.5% profit. Haven't completely closed my positions here, but making some juicy profits there too. If we look at the larger time frame on the daily, we still haven't quite come down to where I'm expecting, about 36 cents. This level of resistance now flipped this support. We did wick down to it. But I have been anticipating this wick to be filled here for ADA. We'll have to see. I mean, we do have that bullish divergence. Let's just give me a cleaner chart real quick. Let's try Bitfinex, see if it's clean here. Okay, we're just going to remove some of this bullshit here. Okay, take this out. We could leave that trend line. Yeah, so we can see here on the daily for ADA. Let me remove this. Let me just remove this trend line as well. I was talking about that bullish divergence. So we had consecutively lower lows, higher lows on the RSI, signifying the bears are running out of strength. So we do push up and we break these highs at about 64 cents. Then we may have just put in a shallow wave 5. I'll have to look up what that's called, where you fail to break the wave 3 low and you put in a shallow wave 5. It is a possibility here, because I do think if we see a big bounce for Bitcoin, of course, ADA is going to follow suit. So we'll have to see what happens over the next few days. Basically, what you want to see here is if this wave 2 is broken at 66 cents, then it validates that structure. Then we're not even going through that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be more confirmation that we've already put in the wave 5 and the correction is done in the short term. But as of right now, we are hitting resistance at the 0.382. So if we do get rejected, we lose this low, then we can still fulfill that wave 5. But if we just pull back a little bit here and then we see continuation to the upside, then we could be looking at that larger 1, 2, 3, 4. But if we break about 67 cents, then we've already put in our wave 5. And we're looking for a big push to the upside for ADA. A little bit hard to map ADA right now, but that's A-OK. Sometimes that's the way it goes. Sometimes you can have shallow wave 5s that fail to break the wave 3 on the larger time frame, but it's pretty rare. So we'll see what happens. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, making some juicy profits with our spot trades, with our leverage trades here at the $10 membership. And 1,900 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.